Going up the stairs. So that's the laundry room straight ahead. Has an electric dryer. Does have a deep sink. Stairs. Back here to the right is the master. Okay size. Would definitely fit our king mattress. Pretty good sized closet. Typical shower. Toilet out there though, and a closet back there. Big mirror. Coming back around, I can take a picture of the master. Okay, walking out of the master. There's a bedroom straight ahead. Second bath on the right. Just a typical bath. Second bedroom. Another okay space. They all have walk-in closets. Didn't take a picture of this earlier. So I've got a linen closet there, just a shallow linen closet. Bedroom 3. Just windows there, with the closet on this side. Bedroom 4, just windows on that wall, with the closet back here. That's it.